Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about the default values of NPM NPM package.json file. So as you know, guys, like in our last tutorial, we had talked about package.json file. Today, we will be talking about all the default values available in the package.json file. As you guys know, like we had created a file. When we had created an initial file, we find out the author name, it's empty. We had find out the license is ISC. Let's move ahead and see how we can get the default names for the values, the default values for the package.json file. And let's move forward. Let's see. I can say npm get init dash license license. So see, it's giving me ISC. So this is the default value. I can set this one as well, and I want to make sure that whenever any kind of project I'm making from my current machine, it will give a license of, I can say, future dimensions FD. So I'll set it up. Let's say npm set init dash license to, I will make it in inverted commas, that FD 360. So make the license FD 360. So as you guys know, like it's set it up. Let's go ahead and check if it's set it up or no. You can see like the initial uh, the initial license will be always FD 360 whenever we will create any kind of Node.js project. Let's go ahead and change the author name as well in the configurations. In the default configuration, set init minus author. We can say first, let's get author. Okay, it's author dash name. It will be author dash name. I'm sorry for that. You can see it's coming empty. Let's go ahead and set it up. The author name, I can say the author name will be future dimensions 360 in inverted commas. Sorry, and now it's FUTURE future dimensions 360. So let's go ahead and verify that. Now you can see like our initial author name and initial license is set it up to future dimensions 360. Let's go move forward and try to delete this file. Now we can recreate the node project to verify our defaults are set it up and no. For that one, as you guys know, that the npm init minus minus yes is the command. Let's hit enter, and as you guys see, like there is another package.json is created, and now my author name is future dimensions 360 and the license is FD 360. Now what I will do is I will tell you in, and now we will got to know, like I don't want future dimensions 360 as an author name anymore. I want it to be like I can say Javad, my own name. So I can delete it as it delete the default names as well by using delete command, delete, delete, and init dash I can say author dash name. So it will delete the author name. Delete is not available. I think del is available. I believe del is available. Mhm. Okay, let me try to run with config this command. Yeah, you can see like we had deleted the configuration from the author from configurations. So we cannot delete it directly. We have to specify that npm config delete init dash author dash name. So let's move ahead and try to check the author name, what is set it up. So let's get npm get init dash author name, and you can see like there is no author name anymore. So if I'll move ahead and I'll delete this file, and I can remake npm init minus minus yes, another project, and now you can see like in my package.json file no author is appearing. So For today's lecture, we learned that how to set up initial default values for package.json file, how to delete them, how to read them. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.